Hey everyone, it's Jake, the secret spy of Subway. SSS for short. I'm going to show you the creepy, weird people at Subway. Shh, be careful.
Those are the people in line.
People.
It's Maddie, Luke, pregnant lady. People.
And then of course me.
And Molly, of course. They're the workers back there. And the people in line. There's Thunder Depp right there. The drinks. More drinks. Chips over there. The door.
I'm so
Table. My shoes.
Thank you, boss. The wrong guy.
Yeah. So,
This guy. Jake.
that's all the peoples of
Look.
Subway.
Jake, look. Jake.
Where you eat fresh, safe,
And play all
and
day.
light.
And this guy.
That's some people of Subway where
Bye,
you eat fresh and
guys.
play all day.